You already know there's only one lock in the game. That's the boy Keeper locking the fuck in.
When my car get finished, this nigga is dead.
If you want to go fast for a little amount of money, come see me.
Lock the fuck in then, nigga.
Hey guys, I'll suplex your bitch ass right here.
That's West. I'm West. Hey, what's going on?
All right, want to flip for lanes?
Yes.
Yes, I got no change.
I don't either. You got no change?
Yeah, you got that quarter? So what?
I gave Jimmy a quarter.
Heads up off the light, right?
Heads up on the light.
You jump, you lose.
You want to do that?
Yeah, jump, you lose. Jump, you lose.
All right.
Hey, too, bro.
Who's going to call it? I'll call it.
You ready?
Yeah. Tails.
Tails.
Heads.
Oh, heads.
Alright, we'll figure out when we get down there.
Yeah.
Who's going to hold the money?
I'll hold the money.
Go ahead.
I'll hold the money.
Who's going to be your flash? Who wants to be flash?
I'm not going to be flashy, but I'll hold the money.
Probably you. Probably you. Yeah.
You say flashlight?
And y'all just tell me who y'all want bumping first, or how y'all want
We're
it
gonna give a
done.
thumbs up when Don's ready.
So-
Yeah, because
so-
it takes a little second.
Yeah.
So does his take longer? Cause you can come up pretty fast, can't you? So you want him to go in first?
Mine takes
That's fine.
anywhere from 6 to 8 seconds.
So whenever you do this right here, give me the thumb up, you flash your lights.
Yeah.
And at some point within 3 or 4 seconds, I'll make it.
Alright. Yeah.
What we got planned, Kenny?
$4 grand?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, I'll hold it now.
Where's the finish line?
Y'all, if you jump, you lose. You cross, you lose. Correct? Steph?
Yes.
Yes. Yep. Bringing him first in and bringing you. But I'm gonna bring both of y'all to the line.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna point to him, point to you, and in 3 or 4 seconds I'll bang the light. I'm not gonna bring the light up, y'all. I'm gonna have the light station the whole time on my chest.
Honestly, like, I want to say that I'm a little surprised at how well it did, but I honestly thought we were going to put more on him, but we didn't really need to turn it up at all against the lip. Yeah, the truck's acting up, the brakes are messing up. I thought I was about to crash on top end, but yeah, if that ever wants to run it again, we got... Well, good race, man. Yeah, appreciate it.
Capo Racing, baby!
Yeah.
Woo, 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 woo. Another dub in the books! All we see is W's, not them lame ass L's.
Hey, follow us on TikTok, El Capo Racing and Blackline Cummins on Instagram.
Okay.